Hi, I'm Candace from Topcon University. Let's look at how to capture axial length and topography measurements using the MYAH. First, select the Topo and Bio button. You also have the option to capture just topography or just biometry. With the patient looking at the green fixation light, use the joystick to center and focus the rings. Then, press the joystick button once to activate the focusing guides. Move the MYAH towards the eye if you see the red guides, and back if you see the blue guides. When optimally aligned, you will see the green semicircles. Instruct the patient to look carefully at the fixation light, blink once, and then stare wide. Press the joystick button once to start the capture sequence. 6 repeat axial length measurements are included with every capture, unless you've opted to capture topography alone. When the processing bar appears, capture is complete and the patient can blink. Check that a full dataset has been captured. A missing measurement is indicated by a red dot, while a yellow triangle indicates an unreliable measurement, perhaps due to patient movement or poor focus. If you see either of these symbols, repeat capture. Once you've completed the first eye, pull the MYAH all the way back and repeat the process for the other eye. The full results can be viewed in the Measurements tab and are covered in another video. And that's how you capture axial length and topography data with the MYAH. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit Topcon University.